Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create pin in Messenger reset end-to-end encryption chat, right? So let's get into our Messenger here. Now it's really easy thing. If you want to do, on the top left side corner there are the three horizontal lines, then just go to the settings gear icon here. Now what we have to do, we have to scroll down here. Now you can see a lot of option available right now. Now here we have to type on privacy and safety. Once we here, you will get this option of end-to-end encryption chat. So you can just for example, this is a message storage, right? So I can turn off if I want to do this, and I can reset a pin. So in your case, if you're doing for the first time, then you won't be able to reset. It will ask you to create a pin. So here make it more memorable, so I will just enter a example code here. Now once I confirm the code, it's done. Now it will take, and here you can see last backup and everything. Now whenever I just try to access it up, it will always ask me the pin. So this is it guys, thanks for watching this video and subscribe.